Hey guys, welcome back to Lopo TV. I'm Susan and so glad to see you again today. Today I would like to show you our Lopo latest stainless steel series drinkware. Trust me, you will love them. You might agree with me that the stainless steel drinkware are super products for sublimations. They are safe enough for daily life use, and for Lopo's drinkware, we make sure them satisfy with the Europe and American quality standards. The more important part, the welcome design can keep the liquid inside for hot and cold for more than 12 hours. So you can keep your favorite drinks to last as long as you want. So for next, let me show you more details about them. The first one is our stainless white tumbler. You can see for this one, it has a nice shape for grabber and the plastic lid, so this is the ventilated sport, so you can get your favorite drinks go out easily. Let's see, open it. Here has a nice design lid, so it can keep your hot or cold water for 12 hours. Nice design. This model is quite popular in the market. For next one, this one is Starbucks cup. With this cup, you can see it's with the handle, so you can very easy to handle your drinks. And with the nice design lid. And let's open it. Inside, it has a nice, very strong sealing, so it will not have any leaking after you put your drinks in. And for inside, we will come with a rubber base. After the pointing, you can stick this rubber base in here as the whole set. So it is very nice. Here comes my favorite cup, the Starbucks straw cup. This one is definitely the best cup for office lady because with this straw, you can drink the water very easily and no worry about the makeup, so the lipstick will not fading with this straw. And if you notice that the volume be enough for whole day drinks, so this is a nice design cup for office lady, or also you can use in the car. And the next one is our only straight one. You can see it is strange, and we call this skinny tumbler with the plastic lid here, and the spoon is like this. It will also come a straw, so you can add an option to use it, the straw or not. Very nice. The last one is our Coke bottle. For this Coke bottle, you can see, open it. It is welcome and very nice shape lid, and you can keep your hot and cold water for more than 12 hours. So you also can put your wine inside and carry it to picnic. And for this Coke bottle, we have 3 volumes for option. First one, this one is 350 milliliters, and this one is 500 milliliters, and this is 750 milliliters. So you can, for this volume, you can put a bottle of wine inside and cool it cold when you go out for picnic. It's very nice. For all of these stainless steel tumblers, we provide 5 colors for option: silver, white, yellow, green, and purple. Moreover, their 2 finishes are available for your choice: glossy and matte. Now let me show you how to do the sublimation on this kind of chambers. First, I get everything I need ready in here: the heat tape, the image, the blank tumbler, and the Galaxy heat press. Okay, let's get started. Now we need to take away the cover and the rubber inside, then fix the image Please make sure the image in the right place you want. Okay, then use the heat tape to stick it. Okay, next we need to do the time and the temperature setting. We set the first temperature to 160 degrees and the second temperature will be 170 degrees. For the time we set 20 seconds. That will be okay. Okay, now we put the chambers inside. Please make sure it is on the right place and then cover it. Okay, time's up. Let's check the result. See? Oh. Wow. Really nice. Awesome. The color is great. These tumblers are super practical for daily life use and perfect sublimation blends. So if you are a designer, we believe they will be the wonderful items to show your great idea and help your customer to expand their love. If you are a wholesaler, be sure you do not missing the chance to introduce this amazing item to your customer and your market. Definitely, you will get a point to export your sublimation business. More information, welcome to contact with us. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.